Hello everyone, as mentioned in my previous video, from now on I will be uploading contents taken from my other tutorial classes. So this time I'm also tutoring differential equations for engineering students. So this topic that I'm going to share with you today will be about solving linear first order differential equations or differential equation. So in solving linear first order differential equation, we have some steps to follow. It has already been simplified for you to be able to solve the problem easily and quickly. Alright, so these are the steps that we need to follow. First, we have to put the equation in a standard form. So the standard form of a linear first order differential equation looks like this. We have derivative of y with respect to x plus function of x times y equal to another function of x. And then, as mentioned, this is the standard form of a linear differential equation. Then after that, the second one is to find the integrating factor. So the integrating factor takes this form, mu of x or function of x equal to e raised to power the integral of function of x dx. Alright? Then the third one is we have to multiply both sides of the differential equation by this. Whatever you got from here, you multiply the result to the given linear first order differential equation. So the equation now becomes like this. Okay, so we have the dy over dx, so the first derivative of y with respect to x multiplied by the result that you got from here, and then plus, so this one also multiplied by mu sub x. There's no problem if you put this function of x here on the left side of p sub x or function of x. There's no problem. They're just the same because this is multiplication. So equal to, so the right side of the equation, we also have this integrating factor multiplied by this function of x. That is the third one. Then the fourth one, after you substitute this one or multiply each term of this linear differential or linear first order differential equation, if you check clearly, the left side will be just the product of the integrating factor mu of x or function of x and y. So if that is the case, then we can express the left side in this form. The derivative of, this is just mu of x, okay? So this is just the product of this one, which is, I'm writing the right side of it, multiplied by y equal to this, okay? Or you can write this as mu of x or function of x times y, then function of x or mu of x times f of x. Then the last thing that you need to do is to integrate both sides of the given differential. Okay, so that's how easy. If you can remember this, if you can follow this, then you can easily solve a linear first order differential equation. Just watch the next video. I will show you the example applying all these steps in solving linear first order differential equation. Okay, thank you.